so you see, it looks like a little hat right now. But don't worry, we're gonna hide where that seam meets. Now if you need to put a little water here so it sticks, get a paintbrush with a little water and put it on there. Okay, and then the same on this side. Just gonna go ahead and cut it. You can see what I'm doing. There we go. And if it doesn't stick, a little bit of water. Usually use a brush, but right now a brush isn't handy. Okay, perfect. All right. So at this point, I think we're ready to go ahead and put it on our board. Just try to get those sides tucked in. I've been moving it around. Okay. Get this out of the way. We will be using more chocolate later on. So let's cover it up so it doesn't dry out. This is actually an 18-inch board. In case you're curious, we'll get that off. It's just a black board. Now, I normally put a little buttercream down here. Where's my spatula? Or some sort of stickum to get it to stick. All right, now we can use our turntable again. So we can work on it a little easier. There we go. Okay, so for the eyes, we have a couple options. You can either make the eyes with colored fondant, or you can use the marking pens to color it. So one way to do it is to make a ball, or a half ball, anyway. You need to let it dry a little bit, and then to, you know, color it with the marking pen. Oop. And then do the pupil with the black. You need to let it dry, okay? You really need to let it dry. But that's one way to do it, okay? And then the other way is by using colored fondant, which is how I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna make 2 eyeballs. This is a tired guy. He's been up till midnight. He's like me on New Year's. I'm really tired. Let me see if I have any blue. I don't think I do, so I can make some blue. Or I can give him green eyes. I'll make him blue. Nope, I'll make blue. Not a problem. So I have a little bit of royal blue here, and I'll just make some blue. Put some shortening on my hands, whoops, so that it is not a problem to, since I'm not wearing gloves, it would be really hard to get it off my skin, but I'll put some shortening on, that makes it easier. Just a little dab will do ya. That's a lot, so they're gonna be dark blue. Just mix it up. If it's sticky, use a little cornstarch. Because adding the gel, it's gonna make it sticky. All right. 2 colors, really nice. Okay, so just a little tiny bit. I'm not trying to make, you know, realistic eyes. Make them about the same size. I'm going to flatten them out. Now, if you don't trust doing it with your, you know, you can use by just eyeing it, you can actually use a cake decorating tip, like a number 9 or something, and roll it out and just cut it with that. Okay, I just prefer to do it this way. Let's see, it gets to be about a number 9. 9 or 10. Okay, and then we need a little bit of black for the pupil. Okay, and then a little bit of water in here.